Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Peaches are in season and I take advantage of it by making lots of recipes like peach cobbler, peach jam, peach melba, peach galette, peach ice cream, and even peach bellini. Although they're often used in sweet recipes, peaches are amazing and savory as well, like pizzas, salads, focaccias, salsas, and also this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my pork chop with spicy peach sauce. It's so good. It's all about the sauce. With a gorgeous combination of ingredients and slight spiciness, the sauce is spooned over nicely grilled pork chops. The pairing is incredible. So my friends, let's get cooking. Like any good pork chops, we'll generously season on one side for now with ground sea salt and of course freshly ground black pepper. Next, in a large skillet over medium-high heat, we'll add some oil, and when it gets hot, we'll place the chops seasoned side down. We'll now generously season the top side as well with the same ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Then we'll cook them until no longer pink, about 6 to 8 minutes per side, depending on the thickness, or until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. When they're done, we'll transfer them to a plate and set them aside while making the sauce. Back to the skillet. We'll add some butter and reduce the heat to medium. When melted, we'll add the onions and saute them for 2 minutes. They will absorb most of the fat from the pan. Yummy. Next, we'll add peaches that we cut into small pieces and cook until they just start getting soft, stirring often, about 2 minutes. To this, we'll add minced ginger and pressed garlic. We'll quickly saute them for 1 minute. Now, we'll pour in some chicken broth as well as dry white wine, then granulated sugar. We still want a little bit of sweetness. Some hot paprika, dried thyme leaves, and a little touch of cayenne pepper. We'll give a good stir so the ingredients are well blended. We'll cook until the liquid has reduced by half, stirring occasionally before adding our cornstarch mixture. We'll stir until the sauce thickens, and it won't take long, maybe 40 seconds. Next, we'll return our pork chops back to the skillet, including any accumulated juices. Cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes, enough to reheat them before flipping them. Cover again and continue for another 2 minutes. We'll serve the pork chops over a bed of rice and spoon the sauce on top. And my friends, these are our pork chops with spicy peach sauce. Incredibly flavorful. This is another great way to enjoy peaches. Pork chops can be a bit on the boring side, but with this tasty sauce, they're anything but bland. Next time you have this protein, make this mouth-watering recipe. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!